will AI be producing people, making more people jobless because the computers are going to be replacing humans in doing tasks that humans do. The computers are going to be replacing humans only in mundane tasks that are not narrowly defined definitive problems. Like artificial intelligence is far removed from human intelligence at this stage. Like reaching to a human intelligence level is a haughty goal. Current technologies are nowhere near to that. So what we are going to replace is like mundane tasks, just like looking at an X-ray. Pathologist just looking at X-ray and just repeating the same thing again and again. That sort of stuff can be replaced by AI. And like when you are doing that, you are replacing a person who is doing mundane tasks by a person who is good, who's a data scientist. So if you are losing a job, you are also creating another job. And also you are enhancing the productivity and efficiency of your businesses, which leads to like market growth, also increased revenue. So, and also you get greater job satisfaction. If you are not looking at these X-rays anymore, probably you can go and do some other more satisfying task in the job instead of just looking the same thing over and over. Let computers handle that. So there, even in fintech industry, if you are automating all the decision-making process around credit and underwriting, कि आप लोगों को loans reject कर रहे हैं, accept कर रहे हैं, that stuff is now, computer is doing that. It is looking at people's financial profile, and it is making a decision whether I should give this person a loan or not. So you replace a banker with a data scientist.